Welcome back to Instables, everyone. I want to go over our intraday swing and long perspective. I'm going to go over each perspective, what we're looking for, what exactly will give us confirmation on that continuation on higher, and if we do get a rejection, what exactly that would look like. What are we expecting leading into this week? Hit the like button if you enjoy, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you are a day trader, if you're looking for very volatile breakouts, we mentioned pre-market news 2.5 hours before market open every single day. Any breakout that is worth looking at throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and only for $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert today. Again, let's jump into this one. So jumping into the daily chart with you guys here, I'm going to go over the daily, the weekly, and the monthly chart so you guys can see each perspective. Again, closing our candle with the momentum candle to the upside above our 50-day moving average. However, our 20 is still below our 50, showing us that possible shift in bullish to bearish momentum. As you guys can see, in case you guys are not familiar with the 20 and the 50, again, we do typically get that bearish momentum continue on lower when our 20 crosses below our 50. And as you guys can see, when our 20 crosses above our 50, we typically do get that bullish momentum. So again, that's why us jumping above our 50-day moving average, we do need to make sure we are careful looking for bullish candle structure, because we do not want to get caught up in a possible bullish to bearish case scenario here. Again, testing our upper channel as we are cautious. Again, prior we did test our upper channel, we even broke above it, but we did not get that bullish candle structure. So we are intraday looking to see if we will get more bullish momentum here with the possible bullish candle structure that will give us more confidence to the upside. Until then, we are cautious playing to the upside and to the downside. We would be looking for that possible engulfing candle, possible retest here for that engulfing candle to come out here. So again, that's what our bullish candle structure would look like if bulls are going to play confident here. However, as we are testing our resistance here, there would be no surprise if we possibly got a pullback somehow, possibly got a wick to the upside, possibly retested our 50-day moving average, as we would be looking to see if we can cross again our 20 above our 50 to get that continuation on bullish momentum. Again, that's exactly what we're looking for here going into this week, is to see if we can get our 20-day to start to curl up here. If we do possibly cross above our 50, then that would show us that possible bullish case scenario. But again, making sure we do get that bullish candle structure to see if we can get continuations on higher will be the bullish intraday scenario. Now, looking at our weekly chart, again, we are jumping above our 50 weekly moving average here. We are still testing, again, our upper channel here on the weekly chart as well. Again, as we are testing our upper channel, and we do have our 20 weekly moving average still below our 50 as well. We are not curling up. It would be different if we were curling up and we were possibly getting that pullback here for that retest to continue on higher. Then that would be a bullish case scenario. However, as you guys can see, we are not curling up here. So going into this week, we want to see if we can curl up, if we can stay above our 20, and then possibly look for that continuation. So again, in my opinion, either we do continue on above, again, our upper channel, or we get that possible retest on our 20 weekly moving average curling up here. That's what we're looking out for. And again, that will be swings, playing confident when they do get, again, that bullish candle structure as well on the weekly chart. So again, making sure that we do get our 20 weekly moving average at least above our 50 weekly moving average. And jumping into our long perspective, as you guys can see, again, we have been testing our 50 monthly moving average. Again, we dropped below it, however, spiking above it with a rejection to the downside to the lower end of our channel here. Again, with Nick Timmeros mentioning that possible Fed pivot, jumping above our 50 monthly moving average and now pulling back below this engulfing candle that failed to continue on higher. Again, this is a red engulfing candle, so we did close on the lower end of our red candle here, showing us that was a rejection. So again, we're looking to see if that bullish momentum that came in on that pullback is a retest on our 50 monthly moving average to possibly continue on higher. Again, that is going to be that bullish candle structure we're looking for intraday on swings and on our long plays here. Now, the bearish case scenario here, I had to give you guys the bearish case scenario, is that our EMA lines that are crossing lower here have not been curling up here. So what we're looking out for longs is to see if we can get our EMA lines to cross back higher. We have been getting that continuation on decrease in sell pressure. However, we need to continue on with our EMA lines crossing up here, at least starting to curl up this week would be nice for us to possibly have that outlook of a possible long play here. Again, until then, again, you're either eating the dip, wondering if you're going to possibly get our EMA lines to possibly continue on below the median of our MACD, which would give us a major sell-off. As you guys can see prior when that did happen, we had major sell-offs here in the market. Again, getting major sell-offs here when we did get our EMA lines dropping below the median over MACD. So again, just being cautious, making sure that our EMA lines do cross back higher here, because if they do not, then we still have, again, that possible bearish case scenario. And very rightfully so, as here on the daily chart, we are testing our upper channel, looking for that bullish candle structure. Now, those two levels I would be looking for if we did continue on higher with that bullish candle structure here would be here on our prior rejection that we had here at 408. Again, that 408 level is extremely key. We had a recent rejection here exactly at 408, multiple rejections at 408. So if we do not get above 408, we can expect to not have a continuation, most definitely. But again, we are looking for that bullish candle structure, looking to see if we can continue past 408. And in my opinion, we would have an easy gap up here to 416 if we did get back over 408 with that bullish candle structure. And then we would be testing 428 next if we did continue on past our 416 level here. So again, just keeping that in mind, these are the levels that we're looking for. Now, with all of this said, what gave us this pullback again recently on this false breakout was that Powell mentioned that unemployment is too high. We do have initial jobless claims coming out on Thursday, and which could give us that possible bullish candle structure if we do get that continuation on good jobs data. Again, we had non-farm payrolls coming out on Friday. We have got a continuation since then, again, showing better unemployment. Again, crypto.com just mentioned today that they're laying off 20% of employees. There's been increases in unemployment, in my opinion. And so we're looking for that data to continue, and that would be that possible short-term bullish candle structure for, again, that long-term cautious momentum, as we do still have our EMA lines dropping lower here on our monthly chart. So again, we'll see exactly what happens leading into this Thursday. And now, again, with that said, if you are a day trader, again, if you're looking for very volatile breakouts, I know the market can be pretty choppy. It's nice to have a team that mentions alerts throughout the day, in my opinion, just news and pre-market 2.5 hours before market open. Extremely helpful, in my opinion. This is what we do every single day in the Instabulls room for only $15 a month. Go to instabulls.com in the description below, guys. You'll never miss a breakout alert today again. And all of you Instabulls, I appreciate you guys every day that you do support the channel. Hope this is making clear sense to you. This is exactly what we're looking for confirmation here, very close to a possible continuation, but making sure we get confirmation here will be that consistent play that we're looking for. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.